Okay, guys, what is up? And today I am trying something different. So I am actually a very skilled person at both math and English. So I'm putting that to good use and doing a tutorial and things on it. So first up is addition. This is something you'll use your entire life. Your entire life. So learn it now, but you can. So there's 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2. So you would take 3 circles and then you'd add 2 circles to that. So count up the circles. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles, which means that this equals 5. So basically, addition's like adding a number onto a number that is existent. Like, here's a bit more like advanced math, but it's like $2.18 plus $6.32. We'll say. So you had $2.18 and you got $6.32 for your birthday or something. Then you would add those. This is an equation or an expression, but this is the standard algorithm. Like, it makes things easier because you can just go down like columns and then add these together and then like carry over. So 8 plus 2, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots plus 2 dots is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'll be 10. And then you carry it over because you aren't in this place value yet. So that's 5 because 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 there, and you do not carry over because it doesn't make 10. And then it's 2 plus 6, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's in total, meaning you have $8.50. So yeah, that was my little short tutorial on addition, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.